Bride receiving her veil, 1907. Woman in wedding gown, 1800s. Wedding party under a flower arbor, 1909. Princess Alice of Albany marries Prince Alexander George of Teck, 1904. Painting Bride, 1900. Bridal Procession, 1905. Married couple posing with Cupid, 1905. Woman in wedding dress holding flowers, circa 1900.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.